Open the user catalogue. Access the Windows section. Add a new folder. Add a new rectangular-shaped window. Divide the window into 2 horizontal panels. Delete the external frame. Define its size as a percentage of the upper panel. Divide the bottom part into 2 vertical panels. Delete the external frame. Choose the door leaf opening type. Insert a door handle. Now give it a title. Confirm modifications. Save the window in the user catalogue. Insert your new window directly from within the 3D modeling environment.